Right then, hope you are all doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby and Happy Harvey Hibby. Isn't he growing up? Little baby, still a puppy, but 6 months old now. It's his 6-month birthday today. So, just say hello everyone. Hey, still so cuddly. So, what I want to cover this week is something really that has actually caused a bit of opinion in the Hib household. Something rather disappointed with. First of all, I'm going to let Harvey down and let him play. So, go on Harvey. Anyway, yes, so this week I actually wanted to cover a review of a supplement, or what you could call a additional product to foods. Now in general, when I first came across this in Waitrose, I was like, wow, this looks really good. In particular because I've seen the Zoe brand. Now I've actually participated in the Zoe study. It costs quite a lot of money. You can check that out. I've actually done part 1 of that and I'm yet to disclose part 2, which discloses all my findings and also my verdict of the Zoe programme, because I've been anticipating covering this in a while. Now, Zoe has actually grown in popularity. It's becoming a lot more familiar with people. It's almost becoming a bit of a brand, a household brand, in particular with new products that they're actually putting on the market like this, and also like the Marks and Spencer's little bottles of kefir, many probiotics meant to benefit your gut health, which is what Zoe has always been about. Yes, I've been a big fan of Tim Spector, his work. In my review, I also covered reviews of his books, which are always been exceptional. But this is what this video is here to review, this product. This is designed to the market to be able to add additional 30 plus plants to your diet. Now, when I first bought this, I was like, yeah, wow, this is brilliant. One way to improve your daily intake of 30 plants. But actually, there's 2 sides to this, which I'm absolutely disappointed, quite frankly, with Zoe, the brand, and also Waitrose, a supermarket I've always been a loyal customer of. But you've got to take the rough with the smooth, and 95% of probably what I do is actually endorsing and promoting things from Waitrose and retailers alike. But this is quite frankly a rip-off. Not only is it exceedingly expensive, but also I do completely disagree with what this is and what they're trying to market it at. So what is this 30 plus Zoe supplement? First of all, I never agreed in supplements anyway, unless it's absolutely essential. Vitamin D is what you get from the sun, and it's transformed under your skin as cholecalciferol. So the best way of getting vitamin D is through natural food products, not through tablets, because it isn't absorbed that way. Now this, you could argue different, because all of these products in here are natural ingredients and it covers many things. So they're almost, it's a whole food supplement, and that's what it's targeted at. And that part, yes, I do agree in. One thing that I really do really disagree in is that how are you supposed to be able to get all 30 ingredients from a tablespoon of this product? Because surely, if you were to do a study and work out things are not in there and how those portions do differ. So in order to what you call either, homogenize this and blend it and distribute all the ingredients properly, you're never going to get that consistency. And the way around this, and no doubt this has been through their development, but they've actually probably increased the intake of this daily. So what they're encouraging you to do is take 2 tablespoons of this daily. And in order to do that, I think in that way you're actually consuming the 30 plants. But to do that, it's absolutely expensive. So for one of these, it is £10 for 112 grams. And this doesn't even last a week. It would last 5 days on average. Quite frankly, that is extortionate, especially when you consider some of these ingredients and what you can buy these naturally. Now, I've not done the maths to work that out, but I can already tell you There's some products that I haven't actually bought over the past 10 years because my channel endorses whole food plant-based, and it's all about cooking from scratch and adding things like flax seeds, which is what the base of is. It's the highest ingredient on this. Also, I argue as well, it doesn't show you the percentage of these ingredients, these 30 ingredients. Some of these are really expensive as well, inconsiderate of things like the mushrooms, which are actually not plants. It's part of the fungi family. And some of these ingredients are expensive. So no doubt these are trace ingredients of this. But all I would urge you to do is actually buy your own ingredients. 425 grams of that, you wouldn't even be paying £5 for that. Also, other things you can buy, chia seeds, different combination of seeds, flax seeds with pumpkin, sunflower seeds. And also you can add these in parts to like your breakfast. So do check out my video which I've done on breakfast and breaking your fast and things like that, and how to do that in an optimum way for your nutrition. But there's many different things you can buy, even 100% cocoa powder and turmeric powder and all sorts. So yeah, this is an absolute letdown from the Zoe brand. I also really didn't like the kefir that they marketed at NMIS. So they're actually targeting the upper end market, Marks and Spencer's, Waitrose. It's an absolute rip-off. It's actually on a special offer, £10, and then it's going to go up to about £13, maybe £13.50, I'm not sure. So I just cannot get my head around it at all. If you are actually wanting to buy and actually consume fungi and different mushroom products, you can actually buy things like this. I've actually done a review of this, you can check that out. This is like a decaf coffee alternative where it actually uses all the different types of mushrooms, 12 different ingredients in that, all natural. So that is pretty much half of that. So you can do all this yourself, much cheaper. So it'd also be interesting to know what your views of this is. Please do put your comments below. So actually looking at some of these ingredients, so I presume this is all in order as well. So you've got flaxseed, red lentil flakes, grapeseed, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, chicory root, pumpkin seeds, puff quinoa, almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, red beetroot flakes, carrot flakes, nutritional yeast. I've got a bag of nutritional yeast which you can buy separately, which is really popular in whole food plant-based. Hemp seeds, which I've shown here, you can get white mushroom, benefit of that, thyme, onion, parsley, turmeric, cumin, and then you've got all the different mushrooms, garlic, rosemary, baboa fruit pulp, and then buckthorn. So about a third of these ingredients, and I really don't understand how that has any benefit entirely. Especially things like onion, carrots, these are the kind of things which are much better if you actually do some cooking and do that separately. So, I think 5 ingredients, these are absolutely unnecessary, which are better just whole veg. You could actually make this into 2. You could actually make a combination of 5 different nuts, have them in bags, make seeds and have them blend them in different. So I don't know how much cheaper, but you could do this way cheaper, probably less than half the cost of what this is costing. It's not just about the affordability of it, but it's also just the moral really of just doing that. You're going to get different people who shop at Marks and Spencer's and Waitrose. I mix my shopping up. I can't afford to shop at both of those entirely. I do love good quality food, but this is just pushing the boat out. Yes, Harvey, yeah. And Harvey disagrees too. Completely pushing the boat out. So, woof. Yes, I disagree too. Anyway, really interesting to hear your thoughts on this. Please do put your comments below. Really interested. It'd be nice to have a little bit of a debate. So, really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also, check out my playlist for other nutritional insights. It is one of my passions. It is something I studied at university and something that I've always followed up throughout my entire life. Yes, I'm not a prodigy of health or a guru or anything like that, but it's just interesting and something that I do try and incorporate into my diet and do things nice, in a nice balanced way. So yeah, take care everyone. I will be finishing this bag. I bought it about a couple of weeks, so obviously not done it in 5 days anyway. But anyway, take care.